Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, brown color, red color, green color, violet color, sky blue color, dark blue color, orange color, pink color, black color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for avocado. B for butterfly. C for cherry. D for duck. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for goat. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for king. L for lychee. M for mango. N for nurse. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sky. T for tree. U for universe. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.